Hey guys, so I spent the entire day. I put the old clutch back in the car. I went to a place I live right around here. There's a place you go. It's like $6 an hour. You can rent lift, tools, anything like that. So I went and put the car on the lift, took the clutch out, put the old clutch in. Now I videotaped this whole thing. I went out looking for street races, couldn't find any. Made a few test hits. And then I'm filming the outro, and yeah, my GoPro, brand new GoPro by the way, says SD card unformatted or something, reformat, um, deleting media, and I was like, oh my god, I spent all day recording, making everything, but yeah, so that sucks, but we went today, put the old clutch back in the car. There's a new clutch. Yep. It's it's trashed. Uh, I guess it couldn't handle the little 250 horsepower, maybe 300 horsepower that the car had. I didn't even get on it, and it's still just yeah, yeah. Pressure plate forks are all gone. But anyway, we put the hood on the car today. It looks killer. That color really pops out in the sunlight. You'll have to see that in the next video. I had it, but like I said, the GoPro issue is gone. So what I was saying right before the camera messed up is, so as you know, we got two cars on the channel. You've only seen one. You've only seen the Mustang, the foxbody. We got the Plymouth Duster. I pretty much know what's going to be done to that. Right now, it's already got like an 8-point cage and stuff like that in its ladder bar back half, Dana 60, all that good stuff. That's going to be my, like weekend fun toy slash true street. Now, I'm not talking about true street like I can go out and drive on the street. That's going to be a given. What I'm talking about is a class true street. If you go to like these outlaw tracks or you follow like, like class, I ain't gonna say class racing, like bracket racing. It's basically it's a super fast car on an 8.5. Now, 8.5 inch wide tire. I really want to run small tire, but it all depends on how fast the car is going to be because the car is going to look really stupid on an 8.5. But right now it's got 315/60s on it. Some radials. So hopefully it'll hook up with some 275s or 28 and then just drive around on the 315s. So we'll see. The next thing that's going to happen for that car is I gotta call somebody, get the windshield out of it, get the dash out of it. My dad will probably take the dash out because that car is down in Tennessee. And then we're going to take it to Corey Todd Performance Chassis Works. I know I told you I was going to put the cage in the car, but the more and more I think about it, if something was to happen, I want to make sure it's done, right. I don't want the cage to buckle. If you haven't seen, about 3 months ago, there was a fox body down there at the pad. Went off the road, hit a light pole, completely killed the car. Car is gone, and the driver's lucky he's still alive, let alone he walked out of there. It was amazing. But stuff like that really scares me. I've been pretty sideways before, but I've never hit anything. I've never went off the wall. Never really pulled a Mustang. All right, let's just leave it at that. So I'm sorry all the footage got deleted, man. It was super cool. We made a hit. It was just a solo hit out in Mexico. Kind of a little bit of traffic, but hopefully the cartel doesn't come after me. But yeah, I'm not decided on what we're gonna do with the Mustang. Do me a favor, comment below, tell me what you think we should do. I decided that I'm gonna keep the stick in the car. I'm not gonna put the power glide in it. So if you know anybody that wants a power glide, It's around Colorado. I'll meet up with them. So yeah, we're gonna keep the stick in the car. You know, continue to daily drive it, and yeah, I mean that's basically it. As far as this Amazon clutch, I really don't even know what happened. Nothing even looks like too bad wrong. The forks right there, they're a little bent out of shape. That could mean the throwout bearing, but it was their throwout bearing too, and I got the throwout bearing on that clutch that's in the car now. This clutch lasted a total of 7.3 miles, so not even 8 miles on the car. And then it went. What happened was, you know, I pressed in the clutch, and then there was nothing there, like nothing, not like squishy, not like anything, just nothing. So at first I thought it just fell off the clutch fork, fell off the pivot stud. Nope, it's just this clutch. I tightened the cable all the way up, and it was still nothing there. So we went to that place on post. You know, put it up on the lift. Got that clutch changed out. Like I said, we went out and beat on it. Man, it really sucks. I lost all that footage. That's some good footage. But anyway, car is looking good. It's feeling good. It's got a vibration to it. I think it's the exhaust hitting the drive shaft. But nonetheless, so this is basically a video of me talking, which is not very interesting. But as far as the $200 clutch kit from Amazon for a foxbody Mustang, nah, don't do it. Maybe if you get a stock 302, which we don't really know what's done to mine. Honestly, we was told it's 331. I believe it's a 302. I wouldn't buy it. You know, it's $200. Yes, it does come with the pilot bearing, the throwout bearing, comes with an actual luck flywheel. So those parts seem pretty well. But as far as the pressure plate and the actual clutch disc, I wouldn't recommend it. Now, that's basically it. I believe it's efortismo or something like that. It seems really well put together, but like I said, a 6-puck. I didn't think it would actually hold up, but we'll try to get the car painted. Like I said, comment down below. Tell me what you want done to that fox body. Like which direction you want to see. Do you want to see like a road race setup? Do you want to see like a street strip setup? I'm not really sure where I want to go with it. I just know that we're going to do stuff with it. Now, in case y'all don't know this too, I also got a 07 through 13 Silverado, right? Mine's a 09. I was thinking about going to trade that in for a newer one, or making it like a pre-runner, or maybe just, make it look good, drop it down about 4 inches, put 24s or something like that on it. Let me know what you want to see, and we'll try to make that happen. But like I said, sorry for the lost footage. We'll take the car out at some point, make sure the SD card doesn't mess up, and we'll go beat on it. Hopefully go out and find some races, and let you see what she's got. But that's going to do it here for me tonight. I appreciate you tuning in. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe. Please subscribe, guys, so you can stay up to date with all this craziness that's happening. Hopefully, I'm shooting to make the first pass on the Duster in June. So, June-ish. It's going to take a lot of money. Probably about 20 grand. And, I'm not made of money. I don't make that good of money at my job. I make decent money, but we'll see. But like I said, that's it. Go ahead and subscribe. Catch y'all later.